Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Imagine firing up your PC, only to be hit with that dreaded blue screen. Your PC did not start correctly. Frustrating, right? Don't worry. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, I'm here to guide you through 9 proven fixes to crush that boot error and get your system running smoothly. Stick around for game-changing solutions. Fix 1. Startup Repair. Let's kick things off by heading to the Windows recovery environment. On the blue screen that says, "Your PC did not start correctly," look for the Advanced Options button and click it. This brings up a troubleshooting menu. Click Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options again. Here, you'll see a list of tools. Let's try Startup Repair first. It's designed to fix issues that prevent Windows from loading. I'm selecting Startup Repair now. Windows will diagnose your system and attempt to repair any boot problems automatically. This can take a few minutes, but it often resolves the issue without further effort. If it works, your PC should boot normally. Fix 2. Boot into safe mode. If Startup Repair fails, let's try booting into safe mode. Back in the Advanced Options menu, select Startup Settings. Click Restart, and your PC will reboot to a menu with numbered options. When the menu appears, press the number 4 key to select Enable Safe Mode. If Safe Mode boots successfully, you can check for problematic drivers or software. Open Device Manager by typing Device Manager into the search bar. Look for any devices with a yellow triangle, right-click, and select Update Driver or Disable Device to test if they're causing the issue. Restart normally afterward to see if the problem is resolved. Fix 3. Uninstall recent updates. Sometimes, a recent Windows update can cause boot issues. Let's undo that. From the Advanced Options menu, select Uninstall Updates. You'll see 2 options: Uninstall Latest Quality Update and Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Quality updates are smaller, covering security patches and bug fixes, while feature updates are major releases with new functionalities. If you recently updated Windows before the error, start with the feature update. I'm choosing to uninstall the latest feature update now. Follow the prompts to remove it. If that doesn't fix it, go back and try uninstalling the latest quality update. After uninstalling, restart and check if Windows boots. Fix 4. Command Prompt Repairs. Let's dive into the command prompt for some serious repair work. From the Advanced Options menu, select Command Prompt. We'll run a series of commands to fix system files and boot issues. First, type this following command and press Enter. This checks your C drive where Windows is usually installed for errors and fixes them. It can take a while, so ensure your PC, especially a laptop, is plugged in to avoid interruptions. Next, type bootrec /rebuild BSOD and press Enter. This scans for Windows installations and repairs the boot configuration data. If prompted to add installations to the boot list, press Y and Enter. Then, type bootrec /fixmbr and press Enter. This repairs the master boot record. If you get an access denied error, don't worry. Try bootrec /fixboot instead. Finally, type sfc /scanno and press Enter. This scans all system files and repairs any corrupted ones. Wait until it reaches 100% completion. If it finds issues, it'll fix them, and the changes will apply after a restart. Close the command prompt, select Continue, and check if Windows boots. If it doesn't work, try restarting again, as repairs sometimes need a reboot to take effect. Fix 5. System Restore. If the command prompt didn't do the trick, let's try System Restore to roll back your PC to a time when it worked perfectly. From the Advanced Options menu, select System Restore. If you've created a restore point, maybe automatically or manually when your PC was running smoothly, select it from the list. Click Next, then Finish to start the restoration process. This reverts system files and settings to that earlier state without deleting your personal files. It's a great way to undo problematic changes, like a bad driver or software installation. Fix 6. System Image Recovery. If you've created a system image backup, complete snapshot of your system, let's use it. From the Advanced Options menu, select System Image Recovery. Follow the prompts to locate your system image, which could be on an external drive or network location. This restores your entire system, including Windows, files, and settings, to the state it was in when the image was created. Fix 7. Restart your PC. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. If the error screen offers a restart option, select it. Try this 2 or 3 times. If it boots, you're golden. If not, no stress, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Fix 8. Reset this PC. As a last resort before checking hardware, we'll reset Windows to start fresh. From the Troubleshoot menu, select Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to preserve your personal data, or Remove Everything. I'm choosing Keep My Files now. Select Cloud Download if you're online for the latest Windows version, or Local Reinstall to use the existing image on your drive. I'm selecting Cloud Download now. This reinstalls Windows, which can take a while, but it keeps your files safe with the Keep My Files option. Once complete, your PC should boot normally. Fix 9. Check hardware connections. Sometimes, the issue isn't software, it's hardware. Loose or faulty connections can cause boot failures. Shut down your PC completely and unplug it. If you're comfortable, open your computer case or laptop. Check your manual for safety instructions. Ensure all cables, especially those connected to your hard drive or SSD, are secure. Reseat your RAM sticks by gently removing and reinserting them. Once everything's secure, plug in and power on your PC to test if it boots. If you're not comfortable with hardware, consider taking it to a professional. That's it. With these 9 fixes: startup repair, safe mode, uninstalling updates, command prompt repairs, system restore, system image recovery, restarting, resetting your PC, and checking hardware, you've got a full arsenal to tackle the "your PC did not start correctly" error. One of these should get your Windows 10 or 11 running smoothly again. If this video saved your PC, hit that subscribe button and join our tech squad for more life-saving tutorials. Which fix worked for you? Drop it in the comments, or let me know if you're still stuck. I'm here to help. Links to extra resources are in the description. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive, and I'll catch you in the next video.